What's good? It's Chigozy. It's Friday, August 9th, 2019. GE, General Electric, they're putting on a very obvious order out of chaos ritual. You can see it right here if you know the gematria behind order out of chaos. We'll see it right now. G is the seventh letter, E is the fifth. So 7-5, 75's stock sings toward seventh loss in 8 sessions. So 75, 78 on 8/9 in 2019. And for what it is, Freemason 48, Illuminati 48, updated 1148. Are you seeing this? Order out of chaos on the full reduction, 75, GE. Order out of chaos equals 78. 7 and 8 as ahead of the propaganda. Stock sinks towards seventh loss in 8 sessions. So this is more evidence that the S&P 500 is a theatrical performance from the Zionist Jews, the Scottish Rite Freemasons, the Jesuit order. They always participate. The companies involved in those are always participating in these false flag propaganda events or these market sell-offs that are contrived by code. You see it so clearly. From Market Watch, always giving us coded propaganda too. I've already exposed these people. They are the Freemasons. But are you seeing this? I cannot believe this ritual. Chaos, again, 89-19. Chaos 89-19. It's 8/9 in 2019. And then GE 7-5. Stock sinks towards seventh loss in 8 sessions. Order out of chaos, which is the Scottish Rite Freemasons motto, 78 and 75. And Scottish Rite also equals 75 and 78. These are the Scottish Rite Freemasons. Order out of chaos is their motto. Look at this. Scottish Rite equals 78 in the same, it's all in the same ciphers. When you reverse the alphabetical order, reduce each letter to a single digit, 78. Scottish Rite equals 75 in a single reduction. Again, S is the 19th letter, 1 plus 9 is 10. So reducing S only once, 75. So are there numbers behind the stock market? Is the stock market rigged? Yes, you're seeing it here. GE is putting on a theatrical stunt for their stock. Again, these companies can benefit when their stock is lower priced anyway. All these companies are manipulated by this gang. Look at this shit. Look at the sell-off at the open. My phone's kind of doing some weird shit right now. But you see how it opened off, it just sold off. You see it right there. Theatrical performances. And it barely could recover. Seventh loss in 8 sessions. Unbelievable. GE, General Electric. They were founded 127 years ago, April 15th, 1892. We can see from their birthday till today. April 15th is their birthday till today. And you'll see it's by the code of letters and numbers. So from their 120, and remember, Scottish Rite Freemasonry equals 127. So their 127th birthday till today is 116 days. Execution once. Look, are you seeing? Look at this. No, counting the end date though, is execution 116, and their stock just got executed. You saw the chart. 16 weeks and 5 days. Scottish Rite equals 165. Are you seeing this? I cannot believe what GE is participating in. General Electric. These people, their headquarters in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm looking at their page on another screen, but incorporated in New York City and headquartered in Boston. 16 weeks and 5 days. Scottish Rite 165. This is just so much of a Scottish Rite ritual. This is complete evidence that GE is participating in Scottish Rite Freemasonic rituals. Is complete evidence that they manipulate their stock using numerology. 16 weeks and 5 days from their 127th birthday. And remember, Scottish Rite of Freemasonry, you just put in C, Scottish Rite equals 165. And again, 75, 78, 7th loss in 8 straight sessions, GE 75. You put in of Freemasonry, you get 127. And again, GE 127 years ago. I might as well show it because it's pretty important now. Why invest in GE? I mean, would you? After seeing this propaganda, even though you can buy the dip, but guys, you're going to buy the dip, it's probably going to keep selling off. They're going to participate in more propaganda later on. You never know. It's like, why not just trade it if you want to touch it? Not even give these fuckers the money to use. But look at these people. General Electric Company is an American multinational conglomerate. And then you see when they're founded as. Traded as GE, as we saw. Traded by the Zionist Jews, the Freemasons, the Jesuit Order. You know, these Phoenician motherfuckers who manipulate the market by this code. Founded 127 years ago, April 15th, 1892. Scottish Rite of Freemasonry equals 127. See that? Scottish Rite equals 165, 16 weeks and 5 days from their birthday. See what I'm saying? For anyone new here, I mean, you can't deny this ritual. So we're going to close out the video. I mean, this is just perfect. No point making this longer. 16 weeks and 5. There's a recap. 16 weeks and 5 days. Scottish Rite 165 from their birthday that I just showed you. Order out of chaos equals 75 and 78. GE, G's the 7th letter, E is the 5th, 75. Likewise, Scottish Rite also equals these same things. 165, 75, 78. They're neatly putting in here GE, that's 75, stock sinks towards 7th loss and 8 sessions. Why? And just think about why is this? Why? Who guys? There's so many. Like there's a stock that went over 100% today. RKDA, the biggest runner of the week. Why couldn't they talk about that? This stock went 100%. Look for continuation play on Monday or something. No, they're telling you this bullshit Scottish Rite Freemasonic ritual from GE. Yeah, I know this is a blue chip stock. It's part of the S&P 500. I get why, but that's what they have the mind's eye on. And that's what they use to manipulate. And this is also why I like trading lower cap stocks. A lot of these small cap companies, they don't get treated this way. They don't participate in a lot of this bullshit manufactured propaganda. So you avoid this type of nonsense. GE stock sinks towards 7th loss in 8 sessions. Order out of Chaos 78, 75, like Scottish Rite, Freemason 48, Illuminati 48, Hoax 48. This is absolutely a hoax from the big banks. I mean, we know the big banks control the price, especially of these big companies. So obviously the big banks manipulated the shit following orders from the Scottish Rite Freemasons. It's not hard to see. I kind of hate it when people say, oh, what's the numbers behind the stock market? What's the secret? Oh, tell me how to get rich. It's like, dude, these people practice motherfucking gematria and numerology and all the rituals. The market reacts with news, and they do stuff like this. They do rituals like this. What else do you need to see? This is how the market is manipulated by the numbers. Learn this code, and you can use it to your advantage. You know, you can see, what if they go 8th loss in 9 sessions, chaos 89. That might be the end of it. So if you're a short bias, you can look for more shorting opportunities on Monday. And think of it, it's coming out again. 8/9 in 2019, Chaos 89.19. Order out of Chaos 75, 78. It's all right here on this page. You can see it right in your face. The date and then GE 78. That's why this stuff is important. So yes, if you want to use this to your advantage, how to look in the future, then it will be their 8th loss in 9 sessions, would be Monday, Chaos 89, and that makes sense that that could happen because again, order out of chaos. And Monday is what? That's what, the 12th? Brotherhood equals 128. I was looking on my computer. Oh, to date with 32 life lesson number 2. Scottish equals 32. Might as well show you. I don't think it's fair to not show you guys. But oh man, I'm glad we're getting this prediction in. There could be some Scottish Rite Freemasonic rituals on Monday. Brotherhood equals 128. Here we get Freemasonry 59, Scottish 32, Jesuit Order or Society of Jesus will type those in, but 224, 224th day of the year. It's gonna be a good day Monday. No, it's not. It's not Jesuit Order because Jesuit Order is 144, 153. But keep that in mind. But Society of Jesus because these people have 2 names. I didn't ask them to have 2 names, but they do. Society of Jesus, the Society of Jesus equals 224. And they do things by this number all the time. So the 224th day of the year, they're gonna have more Jesuit Order rituals. And it's day with 141 days remaining. When you read out 33, you get 141. It's also 50 numerology, Scottish 50, 32, 59 numerology, Brotherhood 128. I really think there's going to be rituals that day. And what is their motto? Order out of chaos. So GE very well could have their 9th or their 8th loss in 9 sessions. And that could be the end of the ritual. It's possible. Or this could be the end of the ritual. I mean, this is so perfectly scripted for today. It honestly could be over today. So you can look at it either way. But again, at least you know there's going to be some sort of price action, some sort of thing, some sort of continuation to this tale on Monday. You can see how it's a ritual going on. They'll let you know GE is a hot stock now to look at if you want trading opportunities. So I was going to type something in, but it's really not that relevant. I mean, it's just more examples of how this gang's putting out this nonsense. I promise it's nothing. It's nothing you've never seen before. I mean, it's just the same thing every single time. I mean, everything I talk about is the same. I mean, how is this new? It's a different skin, same ritual. It's not new. Same pattern. Before the July 31st open, 3-1/7. I was going to type out Brotherhood and show you how it's 128. But 317 is 66 prime. When you're out 33, you get 66. The Dow Jones, talk about that. Or 3.9 over the past 8-year session. Doesn't Dow equal 39.42 of the Saturn numbers? Are you seeing this? Are they really telling us right now that the Dow Jones has lost 3.9% over the past 8 sessions? 8, connecting to time as well, Saturn. Are they really doing this? They are. Are you seeing this, guys? Market Watch is by the numbers bullshit propaganda from the Zionist Jew banking tyrants. Market Watch, they run the market, guys. Obviously, I mean, I'm not even trying to bring out the stereotypes, but these banking tyrants, they are the false ones. They clearly run the investment banks. They clearly play the market every single day. They clearly manipulate price action. How do they do it? By this code. We already all know that the big banks manipulate price. Okay, well, how do they do it? It's by this code. That's what I'm trying to show you. And you see the Dow's down 3.9% in the last 8 sessions in this Saturnian ritual. The Dow is scripted. The S&P 500 is scripted. All these indexes are scripted. They are run, rigged by this Zionist Jew, Freemasonic, Jesuit order. I cannot say it enough. Unbelievable. This is ridiculous. I have a video showing you how Market Watch is Freemasonic outlet. I'm showing you how it is. A lot of this market action tied to Donald Trump, it's all a bunch of propaganda. Market 68, 23, 94, 40. Keep these numbers in mind because market likes to do things and dates with these numerologies. That's why Donald Trump's connected with the market. Follow the wall, Wall Street, Donald J. Trump, Donald John Trump both equals 68. 23 is the 9th prime, Sun equals 9, Donald equals 23. He's a market actor. Market Watch 42, like Freemason. 123 like conspiracy, 174 like New World Order. It is New World Order bullshit. I mean, can you get trading ideas from it? Of course. We have a trading idea now in GE. I mean, it's perfect. I said all the time. The news, although maybe after the fact, you can interpret it and see what's going to happen. I mean, now we know there could be a continuation on the short side. The trend will continue, or this could be the end of the ritual. You can expect a nice push up for some good news. But we saw it's a nice Masonic day, you know, and then don't bet against the trend anyway. So you should be short biased already because it's been downtrending. It's sold off and it could barely recover. It does sell off pretty heavily though, so these things can only sell off so much at a time. New World Order, for the most part, you know what I mean. New World Order, 174, like Market Watch. It is from the New World Order, and they're putting out this New World Order ritual, as we saw. New World Order 75, like GE, Scottish Rite. I'm gonna close the video now, but man, I'm just being so repetitive because you can't end this video and be like, oh, I don't get it. That was, you were too confusing. Like, what do you mean? Chaos 8919. I told you days in advance, look up for Order Chaos rituals. They're clearly telling you 7-5, which is GE, stock sinks towards 7 loss in 8 sessions. Order Chaos equals 75 and 78, like Scottish Rite. That is their motto. And they even updated 1148. That's when they publish it. They don't even update this. They publish it, so it's permanent. Freemason 48, Illuminati 48. It cannot be any better. Peace out.